An idea whose time has come. Yes, I'm talking about ECP. That is the future of cardiology. I, Dr. Sibia, President of the International ECP Association, along with my colleagues, founder Dr. Rakesh Monlal, organizing chairman Dr. Anupam Srivastava, and organizing secretary Dr. Snoj Raj, invite you to the first ever conference of the International ECP Association to be held at Delhi from 22nd to 24th November this year, that is 2024. In the conference, imagine that you are surrounded by the leaders of ECP, those who have been practicing for such a long time, with over 20 to 30 years of experience. They sharing their knowledge with you, sharing their knowledge, sharing their experience. You'll pick it up like a sponge and imagine with all that knowledge, you'll be years ahead of those who do not attend it. You will be gaining the experience of so many decades of ECP. And with that, you will be a step ahead of others who do not attend the conference. You are now at a crossroad. One road leading to what you have been doing so far, the old path, and the new path is the path to ECP, the path to a glorious future of cardiology. To attend the workshop, you will gain so much experience and so much knowledge about ECP that you just cannot imagine. You will know the details, the ins and outs, the legal aspects of ECP and how ECP can be used, not just for the heart problems, but a lot of other indications as well. At the conference, you will meet so many people. You will meet all the leaders in the field. You can build friendship with them, you can build alliance with them, you can collaborate with them, and you can have them as your lifelong friends. It's a deal, I assure you. The registration fee that you pay is just a fraction of what you earn from each ECP patient. And with that low amount, imagine where you will reach, what will be your future. And if you don't attend, you will miss an opportunity which has come after so many years. Especially to the Indian delegates, I appeal that this is the time where you don't have to fly abroad, but in your own country you are having this. And for those coming from abroad, I assure you that India is a wonderful country. It has got so much to see. Just join it along with tourism, join it along with religious pilgrimage, and you will find an immense difference in the way you think about everything. The spirituality in India, the meditation, everything else is something that can only be seen and experienced, not just heard and read about. So I wait for you to register yourself and be present at the conference. I will personally welcome you on 22nd of November 2024. Thank you very much.